Have you ever wondered why pollinators are so important in our gardens? Well, these tiny creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem, particularly in facilitating plant reproduction and growth. Be it bees, butterflies, birds, or even bats, they all help cross-pollinate plants, a process vital for fruit and seed production. Just imagine, without these diligent workers, our gardens would lack vibrancy, and our food supply would dwindle. Without these hardworking pollinators, our gardens would be less vibrant, and our food supply would be significantly reduced. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of pollinators. There's a diverse cast of characters, each playing a unique role in the garden's ecosystem. First up, we have the bees, industrious workers that are incredibly efficient at gathering and spreading pollen. Butterflies, with their long, slender proboscises, are experts at reaching into deep flowers to sip nectar, inadvertently collecting and distributing pollen along the way. Birds, especially hummingbirds, are attracted to bright tubular flowers where they feast on nectar while also helping with pollination. Lastly, there are bats. These nocturnal creatures prefer large night-blooming flowers, and their pollination efforts are essential to the health of many ecosystems. As you can see, each type of pollinator plays a unique and important role in our gardens. You might be wondering, how can I attract these valuable creatures to my garden? Here's how. Start by planting a variety of flowering plants. This provides a diverse buffet for different types of pollinators. Next, remember to provide sources of fresh water. Just like us, pollinators need to stay hydrated too. Lastly, avoid the use of harmful pesticides. These can be deadly to our tiny helpers. With these tips, you can create a pollinator-friendly garden that not only looks beautiful, but also supports local wildlife and contributes to a healthier ecosystem. Before we wrap up, we have a little favor to ask. The power to help our pollinators lies right at your fingertips. By hitting the like button and subscribing, you're encouraging more thriving gardens. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information useful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Remember, every garden can make a difference for our pollinators.